welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Here where we need ya. Here where we need ya. Yeah, the T's in my life, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back. All right, I don't know, my watch like buzzed at me for some reason. That was super random. Welcome back. Untilit.works. Hopefully that last break session was a productive one for you. I got that order in, so that's going that. I'm filling out this form for this business bank account thing. I'm doing this other thing, so getting the laundry done. So, many plates juggling or spinning in the air or whatever. All right, spinning on sticks. All right, so just want to we kind of touched on it before, but I wanted to follow through because we spoke about one specific part of this thing I want to talk about, and I want to kind of just go through the whole thing because I don't think we did. So what I'm talking about is that I want to talk about the new stuff that came to the web platform in December 2024. And let me share my screen. I posted a link to this blog post on so next to the recording of this video on the website, it will have it so you can check it out for yourself. All right, so I figured we'll just go through it real quick and talk about some of the stuff because I think when we went through it last, I was really excited. I think about the target text. I think we went into that a lot, but I'll quickly go over it again because that's all good there. You know what I'm saying? So all these things are baseline, newly available in the web platform, which is kind of amazing. So yeah, here we go. New to the web platform in December. Discover some of the interesting features that have landed in stable and beta web browsers during December 2024. So they're working. So now what they're trying to do is be able to standardize all the different APIs and technologies across all different major browsers. And it's just about trying to get everybody on the same page and just, making everything the same, regardless of the browser, which is pretty dope. All right. So in December 2024, the only browser to release a new stable version was Safari, with Safari 18.2. This post looks at the new features added to the web platform. All right, so cool. So baseline newly available features in Safari 18.2. So I think these are the things that Safari was waiting on Safari. So it was in all the other ones, Chrome. Why does Edge look like that? Does Edge change its colors? But whatever. So Chrome, Edge, Firefox, they all had it, but they were kind of waiting on Safari to put out a stable version. That's what it seems like. So it says this release helps round out baseline 2024 with a handful of features becoming newly available. All right, so page setup with @page, and so all the @page stuff reminds me of that it's like CSS. So it hints me to that it's like a CSS thing, right? So the @page rule lets you dimensions and margins. Okay, I guess it'd be verbs for content such as printed documents, ebooks, or slides. So if you have some sort of I'm thinking if you have slides, because I created a site. Hold on. What do I call that? My light work. Hold on, my light work. So I created this website, mylight.work, which I have not gone back to and added things. There's things I want to add, but I'm gonna add it to the list of links though. And so basically it's different little projects, you know what I'm saying, that are just, they don't need a full application themselves. So I just kind of chuck them into here or whatever. So things I kind of I'm learning. And so I have different lightning talks. And so these are slides basically. So yeah, so these are basically slides. Now, what I'm thinking is, and I want to look more at it because they mentioned slides. So I'm kind of wondering if I wanted to format it a certain way and that it's a slide, I'll be able to set like the margins and the dimensions of stuff. So so what I normally do is I just click, because see, especially it's available in all these things here. So I'm going to click this to go to Mozilla Developer Network. And so I'm going to kind of, and normally just kind of look at it and see what it's about. So yeah, so modify different aspects of printed pages. Oh, printed pages. So if I had, it could be like my slide notes, slide deck or whatever. Interesting. Okay. So it targets and modifies the page's dimensions, orientation, and margins. The page at rule can be used to target all pages in a printout or a subset using the various pseudo classes. Okay. Because I know like when you print stuff, there's like a, not media type or like, I forgot what it's called in CSS, but you can set it so that if it's that thing, then it will format it differently. Let's see if it has, it's like media something. It was like a media query, but I forgot what it is. I don't use it a lot. It's like, was it something print, something? I don't know. But so yeah, so target all the pages. So at page. Okay, so you can set the size 8.5 by 9 inches with the margin at the top being 4. Okay, interesting. And then you do, targets all even numbered pages. That's odd. So page left. I wonder how they got to at left to be even numbered pages. And then they have right to be all odd number pages. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, you can change the font size and everything too. That's cool. Oh no, that's the size of the page, I think. Because like this size is A4 by landscape, so it's not like. So I wonder if it does 8.5 by 11 or is it 11-inch square, maybe. I'm not sure. Interesting. And then margin box at top right corner showing page. Oh, that's pretty dope. So you can just do like the content is going to put this page. So whatever this at top right, the page. So the page at the top right of that page, you're going to make the content of that element, right? It's going to be page and then the counter and the page number. That's dope. So where's page number, or is that something that's known, that's like built in page number? It says counter. I thought that was count. No, maybe it's counter. I don't know. I've never really played around with that, where it's like you put the counter in like a variable, and wherever it shows up, it replaces it. So like it increases. I don't know. CSS is becoming like an actual programming language. It's kind of amazing. So then page properties. The at page at rule can contain only page descriptors and margin at rules. So I guess this is like a margin. Yeah, margin box right at top. Okay. So yeah, so margin and then the size of it. Okay. The following descriptors have been implemented by at least one browser. So we have the margin, which we saw here before, or that's margin top. But margin itself, well, you could just put margin there if you want. Oh yeah, so it specifies the page margins, individual page margins, which we saw before. Page orientation, which is like that landscape join here. This does not affect the layout of the page. The rotation is applied after the layout in the output medium. Oh, okay. So if you're saving it like as a PDF or as a file or something, probably, or printing it, that's when it would do it, but not when it's on your screen. And I got the size, specifies the target size and orientation of the page boxes containing block. In the general case where one page box is rendered onto one page sheet, it also indicates the size of the destination page sheet. All right, no clue what the hell that meant. All right, cool. This is kind of interesting. All right. So yeah, so if you want to check out more, do you have like a demo or something I can check out? So yeah, print web page. In the CSS at page, you're going to do a landscape and the margin of 20%. Okay. Then we have the section. So we have all the different other things. Oh, yeah. So it is media print. That's what it was, at media print. You got some JavaScript stuff here. Oh, did I know that's how you call like the print dialog, dot print? Okay. Dope. That's good to know. All right, so we have this thing here. Let's open this playground, open in playground. And then I'm going to try and run it. Where was it? Here you go, run. So, well, I think I just click here. So if I click this, it should do the thing that we saw in that code earlier. It should like pop up the print dialog if it goes through okay. Clicked it. What happened? Nothing. Okay. Not sure what happened there, but it's not running. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. All right, so that's at page. Super nice. You can play around with that some more. I'm going to go and share. Okay, so we're still on that one. Share this tab instead. Now, the Ruby align and Ruby position CSS properties. See, this, when I thought Ruby, when I saw this, I thought it was like Ruby, the programming language. No, it's for when, like in Japanese, they have like, I forgot which one is which, but they have like the katakana and the kanji, and it's like on multiple lines. And so sometimes, like, which one was it? The katakana, whatever, the one that's where it's the one symbol, but it has like different words inside of it, so you know how to pronounce it. And so they put like the phonetical in Japanese at the top, and so they probably have an example which is probably much better than me trying to explain it. So okay, they don't. Okay, so you can kind of see here. So this is a long text to check, and then here's the short Ruby at the top, the thing at the top. And so normally it's the like the symbols here, and then how to pronounce them at the top. Yeah, so you can place them in different places. So that's dope. Very nice. And so I'm wondering if it was called Ruby because, from what I understand, I think the creator of Ruby programming language is from Japan. He's Japanese, I think. So I wonder if he got that because of this. That'd be cool. That'd be a good story. All right. So that we got that, the Ruby position, cool. Lets you control how Ruby text is positioned and aligned within its container. Style scroll bars. Okay, so now you have these two things: the CSS of scroll ball. I was going to say screwball or something. Scroll bar gutter and scroll bar width properties now baseline newly available. You can customize the appearance of the scrollers in your web app. Oh, that's pretty cool. And don't tell me my computer froze again. It froze again. Oh, okay. This is getting frustrating. What is happening? Yeah, my computer can't last longer than like 15, 20 minutes, I guess, streaming because it's messing up. But previously, okay, now it's back. I think I was streaming that whole time. Who knows? Whatever. Maybe it's just my laptop and maybe it was working. I don't know. But cool. Let me show this one real quick. The scroll gutter. All right, so they have an example. Okay, yeah. So you can see like it's different from the one here. That's cool. And then here's another one with like, oops, oh, these are images. I was like, why is that not scrolling? And so now you can see like here on my actual browser is square, and I'm sharing this one. Oh, it didn't catch up. Okay, give me a second. Okay, yeah, it's catching up now. Let me move that over. Cool. So you can see here. So yeah, so it's rounded here, but it's square there. Interesting. Okay, overlay scroll bars. All right, cool. So that's pretty awesome. So now you can check that out. And then we spoke about this one, the target pseudo text. That's pretty cool. So I don't know if you ever noticed, like if you search for something in like Google or whatever, a search engine, and you go to the page, it'll have like the answer highlighted in the page. And that's through this target text. And so you put in what you want. I don't have an example, but like it would say like if the target text, so you put it in the URL so they can read it, so the browser can read it. And then it'll search the page and it'll highlight that text. And so you can see here, it would be the target text pseudo element would be the background color Rebecca purple and the font color being white. So, oh wait, they have one scroll the text demo here. Let's see what this one is. Share this tab. It went to a new window. So you can see right here, it got highlighted And you can't see it in the URL, but in the URL, it has a squiggly line dot. Well, it has hashtag period, squiggly line to tilde, period, text equals, and then basically this with the spaces are being like %20s. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, no, that's pretty dope. I always like that. I think that's where we went down the rabbit hole last time. All right, now back to here. Yes. All right, and then we got the WebAssembly, garbage collection, and tail call optimization. This stuff I have no clue about. Like WebAssembly, it's awesome, but I can't wrap my brain around it. And then cross documentation view transition, Firefox doesn't have it. I'm like, oh, that okay, but it's almost there. So notice it doesn't say like baseline or anything like that. It's almost there. So hopefully at some point we'll get to it. Then the unit 8 array methods. Okay. Cool. And then the browser beta versions, and then you can check it out. All right. So yeah, so I think that's pretty dope. They're getting a lot of stuff done, and I'm looking forward to seeing more of the work they accomplish in the new year. So shouts to them. That's pretty dope. All right. Let me get y'all back to work. When we come back, we'll take a look at an artist's website, maybe watch some videos, maybe you'll become a fan. And yeah, but till then, I'll send you off with this traveling music. This right here is a track from Nujabez featuring Apani B. The track's called Thank You. Thanks for hanging out. See you 15 minutes after hour. Till then, I wish you much productivity. All right, y'all be easy. Peace.
Let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I think all the showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing up to me. Unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life.